All right, guys. Another tip that I recommend is that if you've been in any one position for, let's say, any longer than 20 or 30 minutes, the best thing you can do is get out of that posture, whatever it is, kneeling, standing in one spot, whatever it is. Sitting, if you're sitting for too long, you should be getting up, and that probably applies more towards your daily job, sitting at a desk. You never want to sit in a chair and this is a side note, sit in a chair and flex over and pull weeds. That is absolutely a no-no for your lower back. So let's say you've been down pulling weeds for a period of time, hopefully using the proper techniques, but there's a chance that your back has slipped into a little bit of what they call flexion. If that is the case, the thing that you don't want to do is get up, go over and lift, 50-pound bag of potting soil, because your spine is now set up for injury. So the best thing you could do is you've been down there for, let's say 20, 30 minutes, stand up and just do some extensions. So you're basically doing the opposite of what you were just doing for 20 or 30 minutes, and now you're going into some back extension, pushing your hips forward, keeping your core tight, maybe a little marching, or just move around the garden, doing some other things other than bending forward and picking something heavy off the ground. If you do this, this is a great spine saving technique. And then, maybe after 5 minutes, then, all right, now go over, get that bag of potting soil. That'll give time for that disc that is maybe kind of started migrating back towards your spine, a chance to recenter and reduce your chance of having that back episode.